Several carnival stakeholders gathered at the Showpark complex to receive financial support for their productions for the upcoming October Carnival. Approximately 80 checks were distributed to representatives of special interest groups, mass bands, cultural organizations, and various events and festivals. The financial assistance aims to strengthen carnival productions scheduled for October, ensuring vibrant and engaging events during this period.
Raise your standard beyond what people expect and put forward a product, whether it be a carnival product as in a band, whether it be an event. Raise your bar so high that it is recognized on the international scale. We are here to support you.
Preparations for this year's carnival productions are already underway, with stakeholders actively planning their contributions to enhance the overall experience of the event.
Iconic brings a lot of energy and vibes to the road. We've done it for the last 2 years. This year we have made plans and preparations to amp it up. So you're going to see some icons in the band this year. The road experience, we have elevated some of the drinks offerings. A lot of surprises are in store for our masqueraders on the road. I wouldn't let it out here today. But definitely we have worked for the past 8 months planning how can we execute the perfect road experience.
We are very grateful for the subvention that has been given to us. And basically our production is a Juve production. We are expecting, a bumper turnout this year.
It's a wonderful cast for the 10 finalists, and you can expect big things this year for the 3rd edition of the Tobago Carnival.
In terms of the subventions today, it helps a lot in the back end with service providers, and we hope that is something that not just for us but for other promoters and groups coming up in the carnival moving forward to help build that capacity of the Tobago Carnival.
The check distribution initiative underscores a concerted effort to boost culture and the arts by providing essential funding to the various carnival stakeholders. I am Juliet James from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.